Hi there, I'm gone today, so this is the video that's going to help explain some of the things you need to do. First off, well, that's hard to read. You're going to get your papers back. And when you get your paper back, please help out the sub by volunteering to take some papers and turn them to the right students. Mostly you're getting back your vocabulary quizzes. So you need to make sure that you have taken all the vocabulary quizzes because it's your job to make sure that's done. Now in this one here, you might notice that I'm starting to write down notes. Good change or bad change. If you change your answer and I notice it, I'm writing it down that you got it right or you got it wrong. Partially because as we get ready for the AP test, you need to understand, do you have a pattern? Do you change your answers for the better or do you doubt yourself and then get them wrong? So start looking for your own patterns. Though we had some problems on this vocab test. Here's one of them. Monotone. Monotone is a noun. So it can only be chosen if the clues or the blanks are nouns. Monotonous is an adjective. It can only be chosen if the clues or blanks are describing words. Now this came into play in this vocabulary test right here. Sameness of sound. Oh, that's really hard to read. Sameness of sound. All of that. So in this case, sameness is a noun. If it's a noun, choose monotone. Lacking variety is a descriptor, so choose monotonous. Now, if you're not sure on the quiz, then do some substituting. Monotone, being a noun, could be substituted for other nouns like uniformity or sameness. Monotonous, being an adjective, could be substituted for other adjectives, which could include uniform, don't use the noun form, or similar. That will help you out. But there were a few other problems. This one, this question, the pirate took his blank of the treasure and, hid it on a deserted tropical island. Most of you guessed summation, which is accumulation and total result. Well, I want you to think about this. Let's look at a case scenario. Here we have our happy pirates, and there is all the treasure. Let's say that strange Justin Bieber hair kind of pirate is going to take the treasure, and he wants to take a summation of all the treasure. Well, that's all of it. This is all of it. So if he tries to do that, I'm thinking strange shark British soldier guy is going to go, and it's going to be horrible. So all Justin Bieber pirate guy can do is take his portion. He wants the fish, he's taking all of this, and then they all take their portions. That is a parcel, not a summation, but a parcel of the treasure. All right, so that was our second problem. We unfortunately had a third problem. What is the difference between propitious and fortuitous? Well, last time it was an adjective noun problem. Fortuitous is an adjective, meaning by lucky accident or chance. But our problem is that propitious is also an adjective. But there is a difference. One is by chance. One is not by chance. When in this unit, Unit 5, or Book 5, Unit 9, when you see it said lucky or favorable, it did not mention chance. And so it's not going to be fortuitous, it's going to be propitious. All right, that's it for our problems with vocabulary. Couple notes to remember. On Wednesday, you need to have a printed draft of your paper. Tonight and tomorrow night, you should be working to get your paper to look like the models that we had in class on Friday. You should work every night. Now remember, I'm going to spin this around so don't get nauseous. You should be working on the different parts of revision. You should hopefully be getting done with global revision and be moving to local revision. Today, though, what you're going to be doing is reading Chapter 12 because we're getting ready for a debate unit. So, that's in this lovely book. There is a worksheet to do. All sorts of different questions on there. Do the best you can on it. Try to get it done during this hour because it is due tomorrow. Now please note that you may work in groups of 2 or 3. If you think you have a group of 4, you actually have 2 groups of 2. See you tomorrow.